Bubume app review, legit or fake? Today I tested it out and here's what happened. If you're thinking about downloading the Bubume app because it claims you can watch short dramas and earn rewards, the next couple of minutes will explain how the app works and whether you can realistically withdraw money before you spend time using it. Bubume is a mobile entertainment app that focuses on very short drama episodes designed for phone viewing. Instead of full-length shows, the platform offers quick episodes that usually last only a few minutes. These stories cover different genres such as romance, suspense, and dramatic storytelling. The format is made for vertical viewing, which means you can easily watch episodes while holding your phone normally and continue the story one episode at a time. The app also promotes a reward system that encourages users to keep watching. The idea is simple. You watch episodes, complete small in-app activities like daily check-ins, and collect points or rewards inside the app. As you continue watching and interacting with the content, the reward balance increases. Getting started is simple. First, download the Bubume app and open it on your phone. After installing, browse the available series and choose a story that interests you. Next, begin watching the short episodes. As you continue watching and completing the app's tasks, your account collects reward points. The app suggests that these rewards can eventually be exchanged once certain requirements are reached. However, this is where many users begin to question the earning claims. Some people report that once they approach the withdrawal stage, the requirements become higher or additional conditions appear. This can make it difficult to actually reach the point where money can be withdrawn. Because of that, many users treat the rewards as part of the entertainment experience rather than guaranteed earnings. As an entertainment platform, the app is easy to navigate and offers plenty of quick stories that are convenient to watch during short breaks. The short episode format keeps the stories moving quickly and makes it easy to watch multiple episodes in one sitting. So is the Bubume app legit or fake? As a short drama streaming app, it functions as advertised and provides quick entertainment. But if your main goal is withdrawing money, expectations should be cautious because reaching a successful payout may not be as straightforward as the app suggests.